Hello friends, welcome back to another important video. So today in this video I'm going to talk about the most important mechanical components which are used in industries. So let's talk about it without wasting much time. The first component that is the gears. So gears are used to transmit the rotational motion and torque in industrial machinery. And the second one that is the bearings. So bearings are used to reduce the friction and support the moving parts in the industrial equipments. And the third one that is the pumps. So pumps are generally used to transfer the fluids and the gases in industrial processes. And the next component is valves. So valves are used to control the fluid and gas flow in industrial processes. And next is motors. So motors are generally used to convert the electrical energy into mechanical energy at the output of it. Next is actuators. So actuators are used to convert the energy into linear motion for industrial control system. And next is hydraulic system. Hydraulic system uses the compressed air or fluid to transmit the energy in industrial processes. And next is fasteners. So fasteners are used to hold the industrial equipments and machinery together. So next is seals and gaskets. So gaskets and seals are used to prevent the leakage and maintain the pressure level in the processes.